on, somebody. Get loud, get loud, get loud. The exciting Holy Sound! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. About you, yeah. Somebody just wave your hand. Somebody here try to want to do it. Have you ever been sick? Want to make a way? But look at your time of affliction. Keep waiting on the Lord. All you gotta do is be like you and wait on the Lord. He'll come and see about you, yeah. Can we have a little church up in here for a little while? Fellas, come on around the mic and help me sing this song. Oh Lord, I know you can. I know you will. Anybody ever tried on me? Want to be a doctor? Doctor in the sick room. Want to be a lawyer? In a courtroom? Can I sing like I really mean it? Can I sing like I really mean it? Oh Lord, right now, Jesus. Right now, Jesus. Somebody need you right now. Can't make it without you. Anybody in the building know you need it? Call on Jesus. Anybody in the building? Anybody in the building? Anybody in the building? Know he'll make a way. 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 Can I say it one more time? Can I say it one more time? Oh Lord, hey, right now, Jesus, come on and do it. Need you, Jesus. Oh yeah. Y'all enjoyed that.